still running with it. Let him keep going. He'll stop. Okay. Yeah, be quiet, Sky. Stay right there, Sky. Stay right there.
Stay right there. What are you doing?
Okay, I'm going to pull the tip up when it stops running. And you're going to pull it hard. Pull the line really hard, just like we talked about, remember?
You want me to grab it?
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, now grab it. You got him? You got him?
Yeah.
Keep going. Good job. Keep going. What do you got? Come on. Keep pulling. He's coming. Keep going.
This is a lot of
Let go of the line. Oh, big northern. Okay, let go of that line. Grab this line. Oh boy, do we got a mess.
Oh, yes, sweet.
Might be a really nice one.
I think it's...
Let go of, okay, let go of all that line in your other hand. Oh, did he just fall off?
Yeah.
Oh, no, he's still there. He's still there. He's still there. There he is.
Oh, man, this is huge. Oh, man.
Look at that.
What kind of fish is that?
That's a northern.